Namaste and hello everyone. Welcome to Chastity 108. Everybody fine? All well? It must be always. Okay, always my first and last request will be please bear my English. Thank you very much. Now in this video we are going to learn a positive affirmation technique which is based on placebo effect. Do you know what is placebo effect? I will tell you. A lot of researches have been carried out in Western countries regarding the positive effect of placebo effect. Placebo effect has miraculous benefit on physiological, psychological and spiritual ground. So before telling about that, I would like to draw your attention that this placebo effect technique has already been taught by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. In Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna told to Arjuna that give up this unmanliness. What is unmanliness? Means a man who doesn't possess the manly qualities, and it is very harmful for a man if he doesn't possess manly qualities. So if you are manly means you are confident. This is called the placebo effect. If you feel that you are confident, you are strong, then only you can face many challenges of your life. So it has been already asserted by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. Same has been asserted by Swami Vivekananda in his preachings. You must have learned about Swami Vivekananda has told that strong you think yourself, strong you will be. Weak you think yourself, weak you will be. Means it is nothing but placebo effect. If you believe in yourself, you can invite many miraculous benefits in your life, not only on health ground but also on material and spiritual success. Particularly, this placebo effect has miraculous benefits towards practicing nofap, celibacy and brahmacharya for a long time. So scientists have found that if you believe on a particular object, means suppose you are taking a medicine, okay, if you believe that this medicine is going to work in your body positively, then only this medicine is going to work. If you believe that this medicine is useless and I don't think this medicine will work on my body, then it is not going to work on you. So in Western countries, many psychological patients, cancer patients, many other similar diseases have been cured by using this placebo effect. Second, many energy healers, they are also healing lakhs and lakhs of people by using this placebo effect only. I would like to suggest you a positive affirmation technique which is based on placebo effect. If you practice this particular positive affirmation technique for 5 minutes only, in any time, I would suggest you to practice this particular positive affirmation technique early in the morning. It is better. If you don't have time, you can practice in the evening. Still, you don't have time, you must practice before going to bed. Also, after waking up on your bed, you can practice this positive affirmation technique and you'll feel within a week it is working and it is increasing your physical, intellectual, mental and spiritual strength. So when you want to practice this positive affirmation technique, just relax your body. Okay, relax your hands, your head, your face, everything. Relax your muscles, relax your body, whole body. Forget about all the happenings, all the negative thoughts. Just relax yourself. Relax yourself and prepare yourself. Inhale deeply like this. In your mind, repeat this sentence. You can create your own sentence also. Bear in mind, whatever you create, that must be positive. So inhale deeply like this. Repeat this sentence in your mind. I have the power of semen. I am Viryavan. I have the power of Virya, that is courage, positivity. I have the power of cement. Feel the power of cement. Then relax for a while. Breathe in. I am healthy, not only at physiological level but also at psychological and spiritual level. I am healthy. Feel the super health quality. Then wait for few seconds. Inhale deeply. I am vigorous. I am lustrous. Feel the ojas, the teja. Teja means luster. Okay. Inhale deeply. I am Ayushman. Ayushman means I am blessed with long life. Okay. Feel the power of Ayu. Ayu means your long life, your health and everything. Inhale deeply. I am Ayushman. Feel that you are leading long, healthy life. Inhale deeply. I have spiritual strength. Relax for a while, for few seconds. Deep inhale. I have thought power, mind power. My thought power is increasing amazingly. My mind power is increasing amazingly. Wait for a while, for few seconds. Inhale deeply. My body, my mind, my intellect, everything are being healed by the power of cosmic energy inside me. So, with this positive affirmation, you are inviting the cosmic energy, okay, which is not only inside you but also the cosmic energy is present throughout the universe. By the power of placebo effect, by the power of self-belief, you are inviting that cosmic energy. Feel the cosmic energy. Deep inhale. I am receiving the cosmic energy, and that cosmic energy is healing me from inside. I am healthy. I am super fine. I have thought power. I have memory power. I have the power of semen. I have the power of long life. I am blessed with long life. Like this, you can create many positive affirmations at your own and repeat these sentences in your mind for 5 minutes only, and I bet you it will bring miraculous results within a week. If you are following NoFap, celibacy and brahmacharya but not able to continue it for a long time, then this particular positive affirmation technique will be a boon for you. So never be in doubt. It is scientifically proven placebo effect technique. So I must hope this video should reach to millions of people. Please support this channel. All the very best. Namaste once again.